It is now time to celebrate some birthdays and check out this one. We're not celebrating the bunny's birthday, but Elliott Studebaker of Fredonia turning 6, and it looks like he's got himself his best friend to spend the day with. So a very happy birthday to you, Elliott.
Oh, who knows? Maybe Elliott and his bunny share a birthday, and
That's
they
a
can both
possibility.
celebrate.
That's a distinct possibility.
There you go. Kyler Saporito turning 14 years old this year. Hope it's a great one for you because it's your golden birthday, Kyler, in Columbus.
Heading over to Joplin, we've got Mary Jane Burkett turning 20 years old today. A very happy birthday to you.
All right, and Elizabeth Walker celebrating birthday number 34 years old, and she is in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday, Elizabeth.
We've got Marianne French turning 78 years young. See, I think that's Marianne there on the right side of your screen. Turning 78 years old in Redfield, Kansas. I'm saying she looks very young.
Oh.
Tanya's making faces at me now. I'm saying Marianne looks very young, and she is turning 78 in Redfield, Kansas. Very happy birthday.
I just assumed you didn't know your left from your right.
I sometimes don't, but that wasn't the case right now.
All right, we got a 22nd anniversary to celebrate in Girard. A celebration going out to the Sisneys, Michael and Missy Sisney. 22 years of wedded bliss. Little throwback wedding picture there. Love it.
We've also got Mark Howerton celebrating a birthday up in Carthage. Tommy Bennett turning 82 years young in Joplin. Ruth Hale celebrating a birthday in Columbus. And then Jeff and Kim Crane celebrating 38 magical years of marriage in Columbus. Happy birthdays and anniversary to you all.
All right, and if you have a birthday, you can submit them through email. Just send them to birthdays@koamtv.com, or you can go online and submit them at birthdays@koamnewsnow.com.
Additionally, you can go there and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club at our website. Great part about this is you get special deals from local businesses, and you know you want them. So make sure you sign up when you're submitting your birthday or anniversary while you're at KOAMnewsnow.com. Be sure to get that birthday club.